Okay, but if starting at 7,200 feet still sounds dishonorably high, think about other state high points. For Mount Whitney, you start at 8,300 feet and climb to 14500 feet. The same is true for Mount Rainier, and for Mount Albert, you start around 10,000 feet and climb to 14500 feet. Plenty of high points even have a road to the top. With the reasoning, a net climb of 13,000 feet for Denali sounds honorable enough to me, not to mention the fact that it is glaciers all the way. We checked in with Lisa, the base camp ranger, and she gave us 6 gallons of white gas fuel that we had paid for back at TET. Since we would be obtaining 100% of our water by melting snow, we had each brought a stove, 3 MSR XGKs, and 2 one-piece Coleman stoves, all used white gas. We have found through winter school that one of the biggest pains of winter's camping is huddling around the stoves after dinner and shivering while the snow melts into drinking water. It takes hours each day, so with the stove for every person, we could speed the painful process up substantially. Next, we each picked out a sled from the well-used deck. Normally, when towing a sled, you want a rigid connection between you and the sled, so that if you go downhill, the sled doesn't crash into the back of your ankles. People often do this with 2 skinny PVC pipes, but since we could be rope up the whole time for downhills, we could attack the sleds completely to the rope by prusking the front and back.